Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Just Cook DC. Papa, we are gonna smoke a whole chicken. It's about a 5 pounder. I don't have a fancy smoker, so I'm gonna show you how I do it on my little itty titty bit 22-inch Weber grill. So here we go. Smoked whole chicken. We're gonna spot choke it. I'll show you what spot choking is. I'm using mesquite wood, which is soaked for about 4 hours. Smoked paprika, garlic and onion powder, salt, pepper, and that's it. Let's smoke a chicken. So for spot choking, it's just cutting it down the middle and opening it up like a book. So down the middle of the breast, don't go all the way through. Just cut the breast through. That's it. Flip it around. And my chicken is spot choked. All right. Pepper. Salt. I'm using kosher. Onion powder. This impacts a lot of flavor. You also don't want to overpower the effects of the smoking. So, and then garlic powder, smoked paprika, then we're gonna flip this guy around and get the inside. Let me wash my hands. The reason why you spot choke a chicken, it cooks faster as opposed to a whole chicken, and you get a wider surface area for flavor to get imparted into the whole chicken. So I got this whole area that will be impacted. There we go. All right. All right, folks. I got my chicken seasoned. Let's hit the grill. Alright folks, I got my chimney starter going, charcoal nice and red. You want this nice and red. When you're using this kind of setup for smoking, you want to offset. We are going to do an offset cooking, charcoal on one side, meat right in the middle, slow cook, cover this up, put the wood chips on there, it'll smoke, and got the dog. I'll show you how my setup is gonna be. Check this out. So if you notice, I'm piling charcoal to one side. I got this little slits that I'm gonna put right over the charcoal. That way, if I need to add any more charcoal, I don't have to lift the whole chicken up. I'll just stick them in there, stick them in there. All right. Clean your grill grates. All right. My next step, if my dog will stop barking, is wood chips. Just put them right there on the hot coals. Good thing about the wood chips is right now they're wet, so they're gonna start smoking right away. I'm gonna drain the water. I'm using about a handful of wood chips. Right there. They're gonna start smoking. There we go. You can see some smoke action coming out. I don't want to waste that. The chicken goes right on top. Put the chicken skin side up, just like that. Folks, that's gonna sit Then we're gonna cover it. There we go. I'm gonna put the exhaust right in the middle. Give it just a little bit of room. You can see the smoke coming out. And we are smoking. All right, it's been about an hour. That is smoking beautifully. Beautifully, beautifully, beautifully. I got charcoal still going. So, yep. Don't bother this guy. It's been about an hour. Let's keep cooking. All right, folks, it's been about 2 hours. Let's check. Ooh! I didn't bother it. I didn't mess around with it. I let it cook for 2 hours. Chicken will be done between 165 and 180. I am looking for 170. That'll give me a nice crusty exterior and tender inside. Give me 170 and I'm done. Oh, I think we got it. So yeah, it kind of got dark while I was cooking, so got my... Oh, listen to that. Oh, that is wonderful. All right, folks, smoked whole chicken on a Weber kettle. What I like to do is let it rest. So let's get some foil. We're gonna cover this up, let it rest at least 5 minutes. I'm gonna do that for about 10 minutes. All right, folks, this has been sitting for about 10 minutes. Let's take a look and see. Oh, smell test, pass. Look, pass. Let's check the taste out. Get a fork here, get a little piece. Oh, I gotta say this, tender, smoky, flavorful. Oh, let me try the skin. Let me try the skin. I love skin, crispy skin, and all right, folks. That is how you smoke a whole chicken on a small grill. You don't need a big thingy. Thank you for spending time with me. Like, share, subscribe.